Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this whole sound television headphones. These are wireless for seniors. It's a comfortable wireless earbud set for television listening with USB transmitter set and optical. 15 hours of playtime are possible. 100 feet of range is possible. And it's easy to use and strong and compatible. And it comes with no delay. These BKM 100 wireless earbuds for television listening are semi-in-ear earbuds that are designed to gently rest in our ear, with a barely there feeling instead of the fully wedged-in feeling of sealed buds with ear tips. No seal allows for unobstructed airflow and cooling ventilation for our ear channel. And no bulky transmitter, no messy cables. Extremely easy to connect, as you can see. You plug it into USB slot on your television, and that's nearly all. But this is the power supply for our transmitter, and after this we should use the optical connection or another connectivity possibility to connect it, because you can connect it with your television with 3.5 millimeter port or an optical port. That it is. Extremely easy to connect. These two ways avoids complicated operations and saving waiting time. We just connect the transmitter to the television audio output port on the television. We turn on the television headphones wireless to use them. After this, automatic paired within 3 seconds. And of course, we should switch the channel which your television will communicate with you to the optical, not the television speakers, of course. And if you have trouble with the connection, you can also switch on, for example, here at LG, it's the AI function, and it will work really cool. And then you can start with it. It says goodbye to low power. Goodbye. Because there is a good built-in battery with it, which helps us so much. And it brings us a long time of use. We enjoy non-stop movie anytime. The battery lasts over 15 hours with the built-in rechargeable 500 mAh battery. Fully charged television headphones in 2 up to 3 hours via a Type-C cable. And this is possible by using your AC adapter from your smartphone, for example, or a power bank, or a power pack, or an AC adapter, or a computer, or something else. We can personalize our listening experience. We adjust the volume for the left and the right individually. We can optimize our sound with that setting. We tune the audio for our unique hearing preferences to enhance our enjoyment of music, movies, series, and more. The advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology delivers a stable, low-latency wireless connection for a high-quality sound effect with a loud but not noisy, bright, clear, clean, full, and powerful mid-bass area that are pleasing to the ears. We will feel like an immersive concert. And the convenient BKM 100 television headphones wireless with a range of up to 100 feet means we can move around our home while still enjoying a crystal clear sound. It supports optical, aux, USB audio, out connection. The 3 possibilities of the connection of the television is possible. The BKM 100 wireless headphones for television is not compatible with streaming video, and easily move from movies we're watching to talking with person without skipping a word. Once clicking the big button on your receiver, and we will easily slide down from the television sound and join the conversation between people around of us. And the high quality materials used in these television headphones can be used for more than, well, I think more than 5 years. And that's good because it is a nice device for elders, for example. On the receiver, we have one button operation only. Power on means in off status, we press the multifunction button for 3 seconds to power it on. With the prompt sound, power on will immediately switch on the device. Power off, if we are in on status, we press the multifunction button for 3 seconds to power off with the prompt sound of power off. Then we have the talking mode. If the status is on and we are still watching a movie, for example, we can push on the button again, but only for 1 second. That's enough. And the receiver will flash blue. And we press the multifunction button 1 second to switch to talking mode with the receiver flash green. And then we can have a conversation. Really cool. And of course, we can go back to the television watching mode by pushing on again. Easy peasy. That's cool. We can use volume up or volume down, right or left. 16 levels are really good for a good and nice setup for each our ears. That's all brings this to us. And it's so easy. We can easily connect the optical port. That's recommended, of course. But we also can connect with the other options too. And we can start by pushing on the receiver. Job's done. That's the whole sound television headphones wireless. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.